A sharp utility knife and high hopes? Yeah, that's not gonna cut it anymore. Now there's a sharper way to work. One so innovative, it will change the ceiling tile installation process forever. Introducing RevealCut, the world's first professional ceiling tile workstation created by Arrow and designed to conquer every cut. Equipped with 4 factory edge profiles, 6 cutting sizes, 72 cutting configurations, and 2 jig stops for repetitive cuts, RevealCut is designed to conquer more jobs in one day. Simply unfold the portable workstation, choose an edge profile, line up your material, and make a cut within 30 seconds. No more free hand cuts that take 5 passes, no hand slips or shakes. RevealCut is equipped with the only blades built specifically for ceiling tiles to cleanly cut through 98% of acoustic ceiling tile materials in 2 passes and deliver a true factory edge every time. RevealCut saves 80% on labor costs per year with fewer broken tiles, cutting defects, and the ability to make 200 passes before needing to replace a blade. With 80% less blade handling, reduced dust from cuts, and an OSHA-compliant disposal compartment, RevealCut is designed to improve job site safety so you can conquer every install confidently. Made to enhance the speed, safety, and precision of your every move. You can send your customer satisfaction through the ceiling and conquer every project that comes your way. Conquer the cut with RevealCut, the world's first ceiling tile workstation.